Good afternoon. I want to believe that despite that I'm not too well, it's flu. It's not an illness, just the change of weather. Coming from the deepest cold and the mixture of hotness has changed the weather. But what compels me to come out is that rather to speak, because I've been speaking always, even when I've flu, is that the jailing and the suspended sentence of Kasonde is a stratagem by UPND government in fighting God. I was actually wondering, since last night, I had a dream where I saw that Hakainde Hichilema, in a meeting, I was called that he needs to be replaced. And the replacement of Hakainde Hichilema ended up with the name of A.G. Mulilo. I believe is the Kabesha, the one who came to stand against Lungu's burial in South Africa. So I want to say that this vision that I had, I was still wondering to say, why is it that God is giving me something that it is almost an addition to the messages that I actually posted some 2 days ago and yesterday, to say, in fact 2 days ago I said that imprisonment of Hakainde Hichilema can save him from death, or death is the only thing that can save Hakainde Hichilema from being imprisoned. I was speaking based on the revelations that I had before he became president. But today I'm speaking based on the revelation that I had this last night. I was shown that we're in a meeting where the UPND people were saying we should not choose anyone from outside, because if we choose anyone from outside, he may not be a good replacement for Hakainde Hichilema. Let's choose within the government. And the name that came to replace Hakainde Hichilema, because his term was not yet over, was that one of Attorney General Mulilo. So now, I was still wondering to say, why the Attorney General Mulilo? Is he a political party member, or is he playing politics in the matters of Edgar Lungu? And when I just read from social media that Kasonde has been jailed, then I understand that this vision was just giving me an update to warn Hakainde Hichilema, to say Hakainde Hichilema must remember that those who fought God's revelation, like Chiluba, who fought the revelation of UPND becoming into power, found himself dying through political poisoning. He found himself fighting with the Zamtroop allegations. There is no president that have survived the warning of God if that president does not humble himself. I want to appeal to Zambians who have been following my videos to say, let them watch the space. Hakainde Hichilema is arresting people based on political allegations. Kasonde Mwenda, who was arrested, jailed, and sentenced, rather, though he has been acquitted in a manner that is a suspended sentence, I want to say the purpose of this jailing and suspension is just to crown him with a criminal record so that he does not qualify to stand for 2026 elections. That alone is enough evidence that Hakainde Hichilema is fighting God's revelation. I'll always pray to my God that let's see where that fight will end, because God has warned Hakainde Hichilema to unite the nation, and by uniting the nation, it does not only refer to Eddie Kalungu case before the High Court, which he himself took them. And today, everyone wants to condemn the family of Lungu for appealing to the Constitutional Court, as though they are the ones that brought the case before the court. Today, everyone celebrates the jailing of Kasonde Mwenda because of speaking against the evils done by the UPND government. It's not a celebration. The members, they say, Akatanshi, Takarish, but Akashalisha, I don't know whether Akakonka Poikarish. You do it the way you understand the member. But I want to say that today UPND can celebrate by silencing potential political opponents. God is not short of people. At the same time, I would love to say to Kasonde Mwenda is that never give up. Those records of criminality, they'll be cleaned up. The only thing is you need to seek anointment from the right source. Wrong anointment fails to break the chain of slavery. You end up finding yourself in this case, which has tainted your image. But that's not the end of the road. God will always make a way. Africa will one day be one, and those who are being criminalized today, they'll be in leadership. Because I know Hakainde Hichilema and the American governments and the Vatican cannot defeat God's word. They will never fight and win. They'll always be losers. If Zambia wants to change their slavery, their economical slavery, must listen to God now. Let's put a leadership that will work hand in hand with Ibrahim Traoré. And I want to say that without United Africa, Africa will remain in poverty. May God bless you.